Oh, leader, I want to come and discuss something with you. Sanotie, obey bibia ma person no da. Osei Kyei mensabosu akwawe. Samira Bawumia, ohun ne se o ejimi o handle it se kora. Enti Osei Kyei mensabosu bopia omo no. Ohun se Bawumia oni ono anu adwiri obetumi take a decision. So they have connived with the before no. Samira, they know what they are doing. Samira se meboa, onko busa uche. Ghana na damfo na ema oni uche tum tete no onko busa no. De ba do oni man ankwatena konwa so. After all these things, hwe de ba no. E de na mo ka kire Bawumia na ndemu di na chi se enkuko no. Bawumia jina Ghana national television so Eka Ghana for say he would choose Ghana card over interchanges. Has that changed? Mahmoud Bawumia is today scared of the media. Bawumia cannot face the media again because we want to ask him, Mahmoud Bawumia, do you still stand by that? Do you still stand by say you would choose Ghana card over interchanges? And that is the principles of the MPP. And say Ghana focus on when to interchange Ghana. And yes, sir, in a time, it is because that is what you people believe in. You don't believe in infrastructure. You don't believe in building a nation. You believe in basically enriching your foolish selves. This is Mahmoud Bawumia.
We have today 16 million Ghanaians with unique identities. And that is a major transformation. A lot of people sometimes don't even appreciate what the impact of the Ghana card is. But if you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact on development. 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact on development. If you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact on development. If you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact on development.
This is what Bawumia told us when he was in power, when he had all the access to build interchanges in Ghana. Not over to me. He was the head of the economic management team. He was writing the budget with Oforiatta, the criminal, the fugitive. Oforiatta today is sleeping on a student mattress. You people have refused to tell him to come home. Bawumia and who said a petition so Uzbekistan. He has refused to address the nation to tell Oforiatta to come home because he and Oforiatta prepared all our budget. Why is Bawumia refusing to meet the media? Etimoji say something has happened today in Ghana for Jimmy. We should get up and say in Yantoma Bawumia. Ni Jimmy for. What you say Jimmy for? What you say Jimmy ana? What you say short memory na? Ya catch say Yanjin and what you say Refi? We are not going to forget. Yenim diamoye yenim adwene damutrim. Yenim intention de damutrim munya ni papa munim nyansa. Muntumi nkyekere man. My say ntwamwa. Moji say Ghana for Jimmy. You take them for granted. Na nkenya asem na aba. Eyade na sanso buache. Oya santini MPP wa power. Ya yo Rose minister. When tuma fa kura baba kokura kwa santimemu. And they obeka kire say ye the interchange eba na ye free 40 de aba 30 a asantifon story ntia. Kwasi ampenyi say one akachire say under the leadership for Bawumia, you people are not going to allow say yenye expressway wa Ghana. This is what you told us recently. Now saying yes ye expressway, express road, e dey be fast antimem dia kosirim. Asenso bu acha ne fusa twe ka. Extra letter koma Mahama say on pene so. Say yenye MPP e na be da Ghana fo aka saa eni say obi aye. Why the fusa twe ka e nam Ghana enkwasi asam. And sometimes I watch you people and I laugh. When I see you people fooling yourselves on radio, on TV, and in cocoa farms and other, I laugh. Because when you vision, what you say Ghana for Jimmy, you people are still low-minded, foolish idiots. When you answer, and we will keep reminding Ghanaians, I'm going to be here. I don't care the names you call me. I don't care how you people want to portray me. The fact of the case is say Ghana former mejuma is simple. That's my job in this world. Ghana for and let them make the right decision by keeping NDC in power for the next 41 years. Finito. This is my full-time job. I can do this anopa ewia enumbre every day. This is my job. Misika menye owia sinyina adwuma we na meye. This is my job. Me de sand in Cooper. TV so na mete. Me ni adwuma foforo bia. It is a wadwene I will say Kevin Taylor bejai Emma wa be tantro dia forget because me ginem the consistency et say abladikuma. Me te say opela aboaje still standing. Me ko baby because samanjina ha anchirechirem and expose akronfo te some MPP a mo be sa be da Ghana for say the way a NDC build Ghana be do point to be a mo be Ghana sa say no I am not going to allow you fools tribal bigots and I'm how they see ye jujum me ko eyaba. No, let's just go straight. I don't want to lose the momentum. This Osei Kyei mensa bonsu aka sembi. When people for munim nyansa on. Moju so obi ejimi meboa. E den na Osei Kyei mensa bonsu eka. Osei, no running mate slot for you. It is not done anywhere. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu say, ono na ye Bawumia right hand man. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu. Ubusan say, obedi eye MP e was swami for over 30 years no e dey na odema swami for because osi abronsan eye ebini dan akwawe onim nyansa now some okay nyina o say opese eto eye omo a omo call primaries omo de Bawumia ko contest and say ma obi anfa na ni to say Bawumia be ni running mate because ono Osei Kyei mensa bonsu no pe tie Osei Kyei mensa bonsu say no running mate slot for anybody who contested Bawumia. And he wants to tell them, say, Sadian, yenyen baby, so when himself contested Bawumia, forget about running mate. So when him so who are Guinea a bit to my so we are capable of helping. Almost said no. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu say, no help running mate, no. Enti mamu nyama ajini sa muni pa 5 no. Na odi Bawumia chi eko ba keka nkwasi asa na mo dwun se wejimi. Yare egu no hono ne twa etare no to odidi Bawumia chi eko eba na mo gwense wono wagimi. The reason why ntana odi Bawumia chi ne say opese Bawumia fa na as running mate ono papa akokora no obese obedi joker na chi as a running mate into wedi nkan ka kire eye Brian Champon waka kire eye country waka kire eye den eye Kobre Japan ena waka kire Kennedy se montuma adwirim na mo gwense Bawumia na edi na kire yankwasiafo obo defense ama ne ho Osei Kyei mensa bonsu onu anga se ne pe running mate na ye tie Osei Kyei mensa bonsu ose onu anga sa Osei Kyei mensa bonsu no ope running mate enu ntina sebio onu papa penyi toto te se no oja adwuma nyina a oya odidi Bawumia we echi onim se Bawumia Ghana fo ngini ndi onim se Bawumia Santefo trust no onim se Bawumia oya tribal onu se Bawumia oye nipa bia ontumi nka asem ndi so onu se Bawumia na yire ene control no but onim se asantefo no se bi so mu hu nanim a omu betumi den ama MPP tumi na omapakwan bi so ku Bawumia to atwene na asantini abedi MPP enim enu ti no di Bawumia chi enti he is not following Bawumia because Bawumia ho ofe ana ono Bawumia tani no onim nyansa chen no ana Bawumia we experience chen no odi Bawumia chi because opese Bawumia na running mate no mde ne kwa santimemu no mde kwa tumi omu wi na poison eku no. And that is what he's telling you people. Or say munipa numuno. Munipa naina money Bawumia echo contest no. Or catch them say, Mema obiampon down, you know, nobody should even think about it once. For a day, for even a month, that some of you or any of you guys will be called to be Bawumia's running mate. Or say it's done nowhere in the world. And then Papa Kokra Saka Sankwasi Asemno. It is because he wants to be running mate. It is because Mahamudu Bawumia onye decisive person, only control. Ne yire aye ne dro why se motorote Bawumia why se taba. Samira Bawumia why Bawumia te se bentua no tiwo. Ohun ne se o ejimi or handle ne te se kura. Enti Osei Kyei mensa bonsu bopia omo no wo se Bawumia oni ono anu ho adwene obetumi take a decision. So they have connived with their before no Samira. They know what they are doing. Samira se meboa onko busa uche Ghana na na damfo na ema oni uche tum tete no onko busa no de bad oni man ankwatena konwa so. Samira se meboa onko frɛ uche na omusa uche se den na ono no Samira damfo na o introduce uche ko di no ema oni uche ntam tete ye. Samira wo Samira wallahi you have no idea. Me you have no idea. And you almost started obian started. Because with me, I just don't come after people. Uye mi bibia na meba uchi. Intimacy. Munko busa Samira. So I am telling you people. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu no. Or no Osei Kyei mensa bonsu no. Ope vice president. Ope running mate. Into a 2 warning. And into the biabeko no otisam Bawumia fie. No I say jata. Oba no ohwe wenim. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu na se omu yi afenyo makin free ho. You have no idea. Why na ye ku eyi Osei Kyei mensa bonsu free ho. Anya afenyo makin. Afenyo makin ene Ekufuado efre ne ka che de say omu pe obi obey dirty work to protect ono Ekufuado. Enti Osei Kyei mensa bonsu so or the parliamentary business a check or per president di or person sabotage Ekufuado and Ekufuado catch afenyo makin say do everything possible and get rid of Osei Kyei mensa bonsu. Now Osei Kyei mensa bonsu, it is his time to take revenge. Into that change of afenyo makin, it is inevitable. A blow which is inevitably yours when earlier received can cause torrential hostilities. Chadia Ben will know agentem or Osei Kyei mensa bonsu will take his revenge, and that revenge is to make sure afenyo makin is kicked out as the minority leader. Oje sa politics na muhunu trasa. Mo jimi. Mo MP before nkwara na mudi politics na chino. Mo jimi nti na mudi agro. This is how the plan works. This is how it looks. Planning na me ato akere wo no. And I'm not going to lie to you. Game ni na uhunu sa no. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu time edu, he is going to take his revenge. The way afenyo makin made sure Oye ku eyi Osei Kyei mensa bonsu as the majority leader no. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu is going to cut him into pieces. Afenyo makin owen. Afenyo makin no owen. Afenyo makin osuro Osei Kyei mensa bonsu. Odim said the odie Osei Kyei mensa bonsu no. Osei mensa bonsu. He is going to retaliate and he's going to do it. Obey you know. Because you see, Osei Kyei mensa bonsu oyi afenyo makin. Oyi Patricia PJ or Claire sa criminal macho man no mugwe jina. His way is clear. Bawumia Jimmy. Bawumia cannot take decisions. They will tell Bawumia who and who to put in the front. The moment Osei Kyei mensa bonsu is able to get that done, he will handle Bawumia. Someone in politics, Osei Kyei mensa bonsu be chira so in politics mu chemo. Obe cookie a strategy na mamo. Moto ne na muni so mutumi nya foko. Me say Osei Kyei mensa bonsu. Ne plan ekutano no. The day na mu say Osei Kyei mensa bonsu lead the Bawumia campaign, it wasn't because of anything. No. It was because he wanted to take over parliament, MPP parliament. And he has never forgiven afenyo makin. Because you see, afenyo makin kodini hu konkonsa echire Ekufuado. Afenyo makin went to tell them deals are not all cut or parliament. Afenyo makin Emma eye Ekufuado mu hu say Osei Kyei mensa bonsu was making millions in parliament without giving the president anything. So what Ekufuado mu and say they used the same afenyo makin to get rid of Osei Kyei mensa bonsu, and later he got to know. He did not say anything because he knew say Ekufuado way or Tiasiewu or Banchi in less than 6 months they will get rid of him and or train Ekufuado every power because don't him said there was no way the MPP was going to win and it not or stay back. He knew. Or free one or question Bawumia, he had a plan. If he's able to use Bawumia to win the primaries, he can instruct Bawumia to change the afenyo makin. That is why afenyo makin's change inevitable. So MP before now, my church will match them. Yedamu jina MPP yanko baby. Now, let me Osei Kyei mensa bonsu besides get me his picture. Let me show Ghanaians another diabolic man. Obabi openo. Obabi opeso ne da. Obabi opeso ne da. Osei Kyei mensa bu. Obabi openo. Ono so ne se ahye. Obabi openo. Sa kwa we. Obabi openo. Ko parliament ko hwe. Okasa brad chambers a utiati. Me see uni Osei Kyei mensa bonsu chemi. Another criminal man. This guy. Obabi openo. Obabia openo. Kobusa parliament for man. Ubo humusio. No, I say, oh, leader, I want to come and discuss something with you. Okwa person oda. Sa not here. Obe bibia ma person oda. Osei Kyei mensa bonsu akwawi. This is him. Another stubborn guy. Diabolic politician. Oh, swami fo Jimmy. And okajen say on pointed to one monumental thing or yema swami fo a. Obega say oye bini dan ma omo. Onwa ko jina kan say inti yesi toilet eya bronsan mu hu ya na swami fo di be Jimmy ntu no mo boje so ye ebini dan we. Or the politics enya ne hu say bem or strategically hu say swami fo nte brofo. and okotsia a low brofubi. And you know, and Mr. Speaker. So I'm a 90% into brofun to minchro. Into Ojinan Kraya. Now or the swami for a business. Ojinan Kraya. No the swami for a digger. Now the swami for a estate akesiye. Now or the todan akesiye. Now or the building the capacity. Now swami for team foot rodim. 8 years. When to me and for me and yes swami for kwaya momo. Akwawi. I said Chairman Sabonsuni, sexy guy, sexy tiny, pam. I got my bottom. Sexy man. Akwawi, we're taking hold of Bawumia Shua, Ekutano. Mese Bawumia Shua, no kutem, or betraying PP for Kafia, or per vice president, or per running mate. Now, wait, or you're a very diabolic politician. Obey use the same Bawumia internal people to destroy Bawumia. It will implode. Ebe payegu Bawumia yem. Akwawi, or you're diabolic. And you see, Bawumia is not a smart politician. Bawumia or a pay as you go politician. The more you clap, the more it gingers him, and then he speaks anyhow. Sana Bawumia tiye. He cannot keep his composure. He is not able to compose himself to the point whereby when he even gets excited, he cannot calm himself. You see, his nerves, you know, it's say akwara nerves. What Bawumia hates, they say, Okasana Ojijin so, then he gets out of his day, he gets into his zone. Ehona ubehu boabeno, papa, boabeno. Into Bawumia no, onye any extraordinary politician no. Bawumia is not a communicator. Bawumia is not a politician. Bawumia by chance and about politics. Bawumia na also made the president, you know. By chance about politics. It is all steady Bawumia power. The way real politicians are able to compose themselves when they are in front of people, crowd, because every chair and a good chair in politics. And yeah, biana, excited. Some year bia, another year bia. Sometimes it takes you to your grave. And you as a politician, you should know when to understand a chairs be, when to talk, when to relax, when to basically hit the point where the chairs will keep on. Bawumia, what he hates is say obi yay. Obama the Jimmy na bete. E wala na papa shi na ba. The koyonso no. The moment obewu yay na koyonso na bete. Afi no kasa no yesi. No yesi. Edi Bawumia chi mamis. Say Bawumia ohun sa man for budget so pe na koyonso na ba. Koyonso na afi oye and one thing. Inte hona bomu say hey and the mami chira de bi about Bawumia and the mami chira de bi. And the MP before call Bawumia ho, right? Here tie Bawumia. Now before that, I want to show you this. You ever Bawumia sem? Eye obidum bie. Obidum bie vice a incoming running mate. Eye Mahamudu Bawumia ni incoming running mate. Make a Ghana for say. Ejuma Napo ayama Bawumia ewa campaign we mu no. Se Bawumia amma Napo second chance na Bawumia oye kokohwede. Now nobody in Ghana or in the MPP should even look at Bawumia or one of the most ungrateful human beings on earth. Okay? Nana do danko kufuado or ma Bawumia opportunity twice. Bawumia no ni party card. Bawumia no ni MPP member. Bawumia was not part of the party. And so Nana do danko kufuado Emma Bawumia 2 times opportunity twice. Bawumia no free Kumasi no nya santini. Bawumia oye teni. Nana do danko kufuado can say even though Akwawe Sebio he does not cut it, I'm still going to give another opportunity because on the first one no. Now and sorry ya asemesi asemene saying. All right, Mr. P. Eye Obidumbie ex Ashanti MPP leaders express gratitude to Dr. Opoku Prempeh. You see, ex Ashanti MPP leaders. Oba santimemua MPP form penifo akuku dam. Mwa redra wa MPP constitution mu. Omo na time asebio na ye na nabafo akoto etiti ni more mu £700. Edit party no menhia no mu hobi. Ende omo to eye Dr. Eye die Opoku Prempeh na podin se ende ye friend Obidumbie. Otiasie, onya santini ba, ontina economy muda. Ebe no akotina first class. My main kind story natural Jimmy. Former Ashanti regional executives of the New Patriotic Party have expressed deep appreciation to Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, describing him as Obidumbie in recognition of what they say is his consistent generosity and support for the party. Now, a leading member of the group, Kobna Insinyere, said the former executives are grateful for Dr. Opoku Prempeh's welfare interventions and leadership, which he noted have positively impacted many members of the party over the years. Insinyere made these remarks after he, together with some former executives, paid a courtesy visit to Dr. Opoku Prempeh at his office in Kumasi in the Ashanti region. Inti assembly nyina no se me bole tofa na me dwudwam e maso amefo atiase a eye party mpanifo a omo na omo kekere MPP wa Santimemu a omo de omo ye mpanifo a omo nim de omatena party no ache omo ba party na nipa bebre mamu no omo se ende omo de abosobode kese ama eye Napo adentra Napo ni yemu ye Napo oye nipa bi a odi nipa enimu a ote n'anim nti oka obi aba no ho Napo aboa party form wa Santimemu eba sebio omo apomuden ene nyoma kitikiti bi ebehi omo se Napo etunu ho ache ama wate n'anim ache so oye politician a omo betumi de omo wira ahye ne mu oye nipa bi a oka no korɛ a aya asanteman hu na eye enije soronko eba omo akomem nti omo MPP form penifo mo Asantimemu no ende omo akosra Napo ewo Ashanti region ne office de edin sronko a mu ewerem de ato Napo to say we ene ye doba na ye nyina ne yembo ne din say obi dumbie. That means say it say obi afro na odi Titus sardine ato nsem say je nefa ko bodo kono so ene ne friend obi dumbie na say wadomon it say komede wo na say bi infantini be ma bi afro say esibra na ko he also mankasa me todokun na waka say esi boewu nsem na all the Titus sardine ato nsem na sa nipa no oye obi dumbie waboa because anko anfo sa Titus sardine na mawa anka be ma kwase ampanyi je wo no kodae enti sa edin na omde amano no eye din a sebio uhwemu a omo se ono ene nipa bi a obetumi adom MPP e de MPP aba power every say omo gidi say Mahamudu Bawumia be say yi no we are santifo mpanifo party mu ekukudam omo amatena party mu ache omo te party na se omo na ende omo de edin kase mu ohwere mu ode emu odin mu pi e de atoba Napo say your friend obidumbie inti te say sebio wo ye nipa bi akomede wo a wonam a sebio ye mfantini ba ana se menka no say wo ya santini ba ekuecha komede wo sebio wankasa person ka akoya fufuo bi di na usika ekuta no etumi to banche ne bode nko a ene asantifon toes bia miensa na de na se be freso obi dum bia wakodwa so wakodi dwa wanya wonyoma na be ma bia santini be ma friend na asay afro sa abena nsuo bra ekuacha bra na wonam he ewie ketekete na sebio mfifre ti usei na ka so bra na say media me ko di dwa kakra wankasa wudim say o polythene bag na kuta no enam nim eye banche ene eye intos ena ado kakra ene eye bode na gum unya nam anka wudi bedi sa afufuo no adwendwene da wo so ojare mu ewia boma ojare mu enane ubi odi fam ni activator na enane ama mfifre to kwanchi empobo a wo hye no sebie mu ayehye wankasa wo hye eye fruit of the loom pants wo aye hyehyehye wase wo title wo brazia ekirate ema waso udum se enkoyie na sa na ase we ka che se ende eye kuecha je eye apatre ja apatre bag ba ko da fa ko hye frigim ana fa ko bo bibi so sa ba ma no oye obidum bie wabedom enti sa na MPP fo mo Asantimemu omo hu Napo omo hu ni se oye obidum bie efisa waboa ama sebio be ma bi ankohia omo ankofo omo ankoyisu omo ankose omo ankonyem omo enti oba no behu sa na said say oye obidum bie. That is what they mean de omo kano no enti Napo yo mo bibia na ede na brantie say asantefo omo party num eye MPP fo agina tum ama ne din ehu ne nyoma pa oye Bawumia ka se ompe no na ope hwan Mahamudu Bawumia pewan obi edum bie odomo esa boawo wadum obi dum bie we are santifo na dia ma no all because omo anticipate omo believe omo ogidie say Bawumia besa de na ko efise Kufuor de Bawumia ko twice. Fama mo yada so ginem yenwie ye still ye gina MPP so mo mo bodam wo say mo afu ye be jam mo masa ma ye dem abo power adentira and aban is solve problem nti ye remfi mo na ye mamombra power kwasiafo mo ma dear friend power now my mention Ghana for the ginem ebe ye biom ene MPP for ko Bawumia ho munimi ohun MPP for ko Bawumia ho na dia ya wo party mu say yakọ elections na party mu nipa bi epeso mo kire say I just say ye mu nipa ni bi ejimi ade ya ne so be election na yesisiwu na nipa osisiwu wie no esa to ayampia ye kasa ayampia wote ase odi watam sie o twetwewo sa nipa no deliberately insulting you without using plain language. It hurts. It's painful. Because you see, when you are in a political party and you go into a contest and you lose, people say things. It takes matured minds, honest people to say, you know what, upon all the things that people have said about me, I will still, at the end of the day, support the party, sit back and allow those who win or who won do what? Run the party to make us successful as a political party. Now, when after elections, now people are still doing what they were doing people keep doing what they were doing during the campaign, then it means there are people in the party who are not ready to put the party together, who are not ready to reorganize the party, who are not ready to accept everybody's ideas to build the party. Now, Bawumia ya idea been there, and it's quite interesting. Now, before I may say no, mama yanko back to Napo asemono, and the mashala na meye madiebi. Be de mokwa na me de moaba, because I want you people to understand what I'm doing. Now me kind of asem, a political party chairman ekasa, then it means party na yetimuno emu nipa nyina position no. Sande me no ka say asiedun ketia pia bontene na o make statement bia 99.9% of people in Ghana and around the world, they see it, they will consider it as the position of the NPP as a political party. Sende Fifi Kweti, the General Secretary, or make a statement to me about the party in public. Not say a mini statement now kana, then automatically it means that is the position of the party. Now a party like the NPP now, their only national chairman, your friend Salakau, no, we're making some straightforward pronouncement. The position of the party leadership. And Wamagana for say Mahamudu Bawumia and say the NPP as a political party, their position on a running mate, a position that they don't want to move away from. In fact, Salakau, time all can a running mate as no. In fact, or the back here, or the evidence a history. What part in the primary simuno back here say currently as the chairman of the party, because right now the national chairman of the party is the Salakau. Salan Nchieno or no the chairman of the party as we speak. Why chairman of the party? Who is the national chairman of the party? Mention, because the chairman of the party and the why the free party party and it falls on the fat legs of the Salakau. Inti the Salakau no or the chairman, the national chairman of the party. Mumianko tie asemi a wakanfa Napo. Say befa Napo and say fa Napo and warning any messenger as the chairman of the party no odema Bawumia.
On the note of who to be the running mate for the
you see, New Patriotic Party will go by tradition. When Kufuor win the flag bearership in 1990, 2000, when Kufuor won the promise, 2000 promise, he went with Alhaji Aliu Muhammad as his running mate. And God willing, 2001, we won power. 2004, when Kufuor was coming, he maintained Alhaji Aliu Muhammad as a running mate again, and we won power. Again, 2007, when His Excellency, the former president, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, won to become the flag bearer of this party, he chose Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as his running mate. So, 2008, we went to election and lost the election. He maintained him as his running mate in 2012. He maintained him as his running mate in 2016. God willing, 2016, in fact, we have won power. So Bawumia was the vice president for Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. When we went to 2020 election, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo did not make any changes. He maintained Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia again to be his running mate. We won the 2020 election. So today, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has become the flag bearer of 2024 election that we went to 2023 election with Bawumia. Bawumia won to become the flag bearer. He chose Dr. Maitu Prempeh, Opoku Prempeh, Napo as a running mate. We went with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Napo in 2024 election and didn't win the election. God willing, Dr. Napo was solely behind Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Wherever Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was going, he was campaigning vigorously behind Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So today, victory has also fallen on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's hand. So to me, as a third vice national chairman of this party, this is my opinion. I am strongly behind Dr. Opoku Prempeh Napo from Mahmoud Bawumia to choose him again to become his running mate for the 2028 election. Based on the history, I just give it to you. Based on our tradition, we never change this running mate. So to me, I am praying that if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is going to choose a running mate, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should choose Napo to become his running mate. And I'm assuring Ghanaians that, inshallah, when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Napo ticked pop in Ghana here, 2028 election, inshallah, we are going to win the election.
We're a political party chairman. The Nimu Basan who fin. No tan. Who fin. The Nimu Basa. The same brown. Na motio mu fi free. The to when a national chairman now in the NPP. When I'm the party of Akrachi Fono, Salan and Chiwe, this is the Salah cow that is the national chairman of the NPP. Now, then, I akwawe ebu brofu komu, they no Kenyan and Mami Church Asante 4 and Ayeswame, especially PZ4. Yabusan say, national chairman, Sesianu is saying, Ye mole Bawumia as your flag bearer. Na Bawumia only Napo enko Asantiniba. A otum vote no a ofri menhia enko anase onto ne ntwene and also asababu say dey say wotwa fufuo a wo de abo eye sala nam so eye nantwinam esa de abo sala mumu a ubedi we de wotwa eye sala mo e de ato eye sala nam so ni nyina ne say oso no de as the chairman of the party no obeso ma Bawumia ti bibia se omodi nkwase adwuma aya nkwase adwuma edidi atam abotu aya nkwase ade e de Bawumia abaye flag bearer biem na otwe Bawumia adwene akwachire se Bawumia nim party no sebio omabakwasem a ochire Bawumia party na bakwasem o started from 2002 o se ya papa kofo time I papa Kufuor epese obedi flag bearer no or the obi to say Aliu Mahama, may his soul rest in peace, one of the finest politicians in the history of Ghana, or say or the Aliu Mahama na koye ya papa Kufuor ya sa de Aliu Mahama eba 2004 ya papa Kufuor en change no. If you say, ya papa Kufuor who say Aliu Mahama on ne koye na amfa no or sa de ne kobiema sebio de inkunimdie beba ya papa Kufuor de ne koye no na ya papa Kufuor de eko wini ye. Now say sa wo hwe eye de abakosemu a 2007 2008 ene ye de eye abozege de joining eye de abosoma kotere no eye achechede Ekufuado o say Ekufuado bae no ene obefa wo Mahamudu Bawumia ofa wo Mahamudu Bawumia no ene ode ye ne running mate ene ode ko 2008 o say Bawumia ntie omudi eye Ekufuado de Bawumia we eko 2008 no Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado achechede opo we wini na die na Ekufuado ye oma Bawumia another chance. Enya me na make abakosem no sala na ntwere na aka ne brofo na megidwam amaso amefo. O si 2008 eye achechede no ana opo ode Bawumia kwae no Mahamudu Bawumia entumi ene na mfatumi. Na Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado ampa ba. O sa frɛ Bawumia we biem. Esama Bawumia another chance say me do ko first one amfa mesa de wedi mechiakɔ ena ode ne call 2012. O say Mahamudu Bawumia ne Ekufuado sa koye enso Ghana fo anto amomo Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado ampaba Osama Bawumia the third opportunity as the running mate. And about 2012 Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado achichire no ofa abozegidi nechi 2012 and omosa ekoye omokoye no eno so epaskaye 2016 and Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado sadi abozegi biem Wama Bawumia 3 opportunities. Say yen sanko 2016 na yen sanko hwe osi Kyei Bawumia party na bakasem the history of the Republic of the NPP party. And a sala nchie kasa no sala nchie say 2016 Osama Bawumia the third opportunity ye Ekufuado achechede no odema Bawumia no eno mu wini to me. Osi Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado ne Bawumia esa ba biem 2020 once Bawumia nanka owo another opportunity a obetumi de oforia taba obetumi de gabiaba obetumi de bedi etu aba obetumi kura koda na yira ba na se jankroma wini no enso Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado amfa any of these drug addicts de Ekufuado ye ne say osade Bawumia ba 2020 ebe wini elections anka Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado obetumi ye campaign tia Bawumia aka say what did achedodo. In fact, when the metia achadodo into 2024 there, anka yempe obi na anka ono de onko. That's Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado anyesa. Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado nim say, boni a obedi ye ne krono obebo na ohia obi mana begine mu ama no sane be ya no tuntwi. Into Osama wo Bawumia eye bibia botuo e make sure say wa manipulate primaries no e ma wo Bawumia wini 2023 primaries no. Ena wo Bawumia ekofa Napo ba 2024 say Napo enya wo running mate efri say ubu asanteman ubu otumfo ubu asantefo a emu dodo no to abama MPP se sebio ntwen nti sa wo de Napo kwa na wo te asanteman fo enim na wo kira asanteman se unye boni aye na wo kira asante se unye jimifo a onkai de asante aye nti asante nkai nti Mahamudu Bawumia e de Napo 2024 eko election 2024 Nyame ncha de eyesem se jata John Dramani Mahama edi Napo eni Bawumia ti kwhye ho ewini ye enti salakao NPP for national chairman say edien ne be chen se Bawumia ebe sign de Napo akobiem every say so hwema ono Bawumia onya opportunity nkwan prensa na wako first one na woni nipa na ofree a stronghold nipa na oye otumfo nana nipa na oye dehye nipa na otumfo hwe in school no sa odi na ko first one na se wendi nkunuma edie nimtia na opese odi bu otumfo di bu asantefo a o sa be chanyi na pakofo bi enti salakao ono de o say party ni de omunyina di na pochi na Mahamudu Bawumia musio emmo no na onsesa ne nsankofo bi foforo ono de ogidi sa party no empene so na ono oye nantwe kura mpene so a onim se otumfo ne asanteman adehye so empene so enti de na o ka kire Bawumia nyina ne se ono de oye party chairman now no party engineer bia ne se e wo se Mahamudu Bawumia e de Napo esako every se ono nya opportunity no Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado e de ne komprensa Adentina Asantinia Odimokodi nchinia party ne furu masha santimemu ne nananom ena yi omusika £700 tete omumbo room edite party no ono ne mpanifo a omato abama party na abeduru ha mpempensoi ene nansia primary si asantifo dodo a omohwe napon eto abama ono die ne beka wo eye Bawumia se obesesa wonsa no akofa nipa foforo bi se ono mom ena embedi eye party nim enti ono eye salakao a oye party chairman de Osei Eya party no se ogina party nanim sesi a yansesa ne de NPP no omo de Napo na omo pe eya Napo ne pe enti Bawumia musio mo no na osesa Napo a eya party eya santefo so be kire no eya bosumi a yeduamu eburo eno ena na salakao eka no mom premier pre now mamenjudwa de akanim ye wie yo ye gina NPP mu hwe me paper no so ayemma unim nzama wa ha I mean, take away, you team, stay with me again. You got the next one. So, the next story is about Bawumia and the Bawumia ye bibia. Ghana for be I shocked. Na ninyina say, your party, your elections. Now you elections are. That is the time you bring everybody around. That is not the time say obetwa yampia. Obedidi nipa tamachire nkwara obetwetwe nipa because you see politics are very tricky and ewia betuma abo ama in the next 3-4 hours esum betuma to that is politics and whatever you say politics is all about perception. Reality sometimes doesn't really matter. If you are not able to manage perception, politics it will be gloomy for you. And so many politicians don't know, especially Bawumia. He does not still understand. Anytime I say Bawumia is not a politician. Bawumia is a joker. He is a comedian. He does not have that aura. Also, Bawumia Jinawa. There's nothing about him that excites you. They have tried to clean him up, let him walk in a certain way, speak in a certain way, laugh in a certain way. It is still not gelling because aura na a one it is gone. You see, aura. And I said, Adebi blessing be Nyankopon de mani pa bia obiara ne de. There's something about me when you see it excites you. And there's something about you when people see it excites them. There's something about John Mahama. So when penasam cry, that aura excites you. And when God takes that away from you, or when you are short of that, you struggle in everything that you do. And that is what Bawumia is struggling with. And yet that aura, that thing that will make people see you and be like, you have something that at the end of the day, we all want. Bibi Sani Bawumia ho. Inti Bawumia ni sadia no. We expect Bawumia to be that kind of politician. Obey yusu na adwene. Especially the utterances are supposed to be on point. But one, uni aura. Two, you are not built to be a politician. Now, you are not also a good communicator. Then basically, you are basically running a party into a ditch. And that is what I'm seeing from my experience in politics. You see, politicians, baby, they don't have everything. Politicians be the negatives, endorse the positives. Politicians be automatically. He's appealing to everybody. She's appealing to everybody. Hardly do you find those kind of politicians. John Mahama kind of politician or Tieno. He's appealing to everybody. Obi okra onya the president, onfri krum, but who he just likes him. No. There are some politicians you have to work on them for them to become appealing. And Bawumia is a typical example of politician or a force. You need to bring it home, you need to wash it, or so with the starch guso, or so iron in a certain way, send your beya, onam kroma empumprono. So there's a lot of work to be done on Bawumia. But a politician like Bawumia, he is supposed to be very, very eloquent when it comes to his delivery, his speech. He needs to be on point because the negatives no do such positives. He's not appealing. He is not a smart thinker. He does not basically attract any aura. Among for which chair. Into to say, Bawumia, there's a lot of work. I was say but he is also making it even worse because he still doesn't understand Baby Ojina as a politician and as a flag bearer of a political party. He is still not there yet. And the MP before Bawumia won fie. Now, Bawumia, something interesting happened. Bawumia kasano o make comments be. And I tell myself, say, Who are the handlers of Bawumia? I want to say, okay, if you have people like Akosia Menu, any Miracle Abuajimo, and those kind of aimless junkies, flat-headed individuals who know nothing about politics, so Bawumia Kasa, you wouldn't be surprised because me, my politics match, I have experience in politics. I know what can make a politician lose power, and I know what can make a politician win power. If I want to take a seat from you, I know how to go by it. And if I want to give you a seat, I know how to go by it. So we understand the game. We understand the politics. We understand how it works. The
NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.